Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a unboxing and first impression look at the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. I am so excited to dive into this today. As you see in the clip before, I've already started unboxing it, or I might put it after this. We'll figure it out during editing. Either way, you've seen the palette. I'm late to reviewing this, but I still want to put my review out there just because I haven't seen like a ton of videos on this product. But so far, I love it. It's great. If you've been looking at it for a minute, definitely I recommend purchasing it. It's worth every coin, every cent you pay. And if you guys want to find out how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. And I will also be putting the Instagram for my lashes down below. They are from a local lash company here where I live. My lashes came in this cute little gift bag. Sorry, that was my dog. But my lashes came in this cute little gift bag, and of course I showed the packaging. So gorgeous. These are some mink lashes. Definitely, if you want to order, send them a DM down below. I'm putting all the information in the description along with my own Instagram, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please excuse my appearance right now. Obviously I don't have eyebrows or any makeup on. I just got this on my doorstep and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera, but we are going to be doing a look with this today because I am so excited. So obviously it's a Jeffree Star box. I already opened this part, but I haven't opened the rest. I did open it enough to see that they did not give me a card like they usually give you when you order things, from what I can tell. I really was hoping to get a Shane and Jeffree card, but oh well, I guess. They gave me some pink paper. And here is the Blue Blood. It comes with this really pretty tissue paper where it's like little crowns, but it's also the Jeffree Star logo. Like, I live. I'm gonna open it now. This is my third Jeffree Star palette. I'm excited. Ooh! Here it is. So beautiful. And it's like a soft touch box. Like, oh my god. Here it is in the box. I'm wearing blue for the occasion. Wow. This just is heavy. It feels luxurious. The clasp has the symbol on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. The back just has more just product description. Let's get to the real tea and open it. There it is. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh, you saw my camera.
Off this look, we're taking the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics in Light Fair and priming the lid without setting that. I apologize for how poorly I shot this part of the video, but I'm just taking the shade Undertaker and I am firstly applying that on our wet concealer using a small shader brush. It will be linked down below in the description. Into the shade Flourishing in the palette, we are going to blend out the edges of Undertaker with that tealy shade. Fluffy brush and the shade Minty, I am buffing out the edges of Flourishing and Undertaker, just trying to create an ombre. I'm going to reapply Undertaker, Flourishing, and Minty with those three brushes to make the look as opaque as I would like it to be. So now I'm just carving out my lid so that we can apply a shimmer shade on top. We're going to actually set that lid with Ice Tray from the palette. It is a beautiful, like, periwinkle shimmer shade. To apply our glitter today, I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to apply that on top of Ice Tray. And then taking Flourishing and Undertaker, we're just going to blend that into the outer corner. And once you've done that, you can apply liner, mascara, and I'm going to apply some lashes off camera. Okay, so these lashes come from a local brand here in Reno called Glam NXO. I will put her Instagram in the description. These are in the style Low Key. This is my first time trying these lashes, and I love them. She also gave me this super cute applicator to put them on easily as well. Definitely check out her Instagram and DM her for more information. I'm also just going to apply the 3 shadows we blended in our crease to my bottom lash line. Tiny brush, I'm taking the shade Cullinan, which is the white shimmer shadow in the palette, and I'm just going to apply that over my brow bone, and also applying that in my inner corner for a pop of highlight. After putting bottom mascara, I'm just rimming my waterline with a white eye pencil from NYX, and that's it.
And that is how you get this finished look. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see more looks, definitely give me a subscribe. I will be posting more looks using this palette. I definitely want to try to use the Alien palette next, just because I've already done a Thirsty palette look, and now this is a Blue Blood palette look. So might as well throw in the Alien palette while I'm in it. I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you stick around for more looks. Bye.